Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your data plan and signal. This avoids surprise charges and failed downloads. Once those checks are done, make sure the phone has at least 20% battery or is plugged in so updates don't stop mid-install. Now open Settings and go to Network and Internet or Connections depending on your Motorola model. This step gets you to the controls that govern when updates may use mobile data versus Wi-Fi, so you can change that permission next. You now navigate to Settings System Advanced System Updates. This is the central place for update behavior. Once there, tap the gear icon or three-dot menu to reveal download preferences and enable an option like use mobile data or download over any network. This tells the phone to use cellular when Wi-Fi is unavailable. Make sure you read the warning about potential data charges and confirm if you're okay. Doing so prevents unexpected bills while allowing critical updates. You finish by manually checking for updates and starting the download. This verifies the new setting works immediately. If the download stalls, try toggling airplane mode or turning mobile data off and on to re-establish a fresh connection. Make sure to monitor data usage so you don't exceed limits. If problems persist, reset network settings from system settings. This clears corrupted profiles while keeping your apps and files intact, and then retry the update to complete the process.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.